KIP System K, empowering ideas. The remarkable value of KIP System K software suite is included with all KIP systems. KIP System K connects your ideas to the world. Smart, easy, and uniform. KIP's 12-inch smart tablet touchscreen is uniform across all systems. It's easy, meeting smart tablet technology expectations, and is in sync with how customers want to work. The power of project automation and cloud communication with a single touch. KIP systems offer reliable performance and amazing print quality. Experience the most advanced technology in technical printing. The KIP 70 series offers a range of productivity speeds with space-saving configurations that deliver impeccable black and white print quality and low cost of operation. The KIP Color Series is engineered to deliver consistent speed productivity and amazing print quality, saving serious time and money. KIP Color Scan Systems set a uniquely high standard for speed, quality, and flexibility, and include automated deskew and image cleanup for outstanding archival quality. KIP System K includes KIP Image Pro, one application for all wide format imaging. Print, copy, and scan brilliantly. Easily combine color and black and white images in collated sets and manage color with professional results. KIP Smart Print and Scan is a driverless solution that offers anytime, anywhere project communication, whether you're using an iPhone, Android, Windows, PC, Mac, or laptop. KIP Smart Print and Scan simplifies project collaboration. KIP System K software applications are fully integrated with Windows 7, 8, and 10, and include Mac and Linux functionality. KIP is a trusted provider of secure solutions, with many standard and optional security features. KIP Security meets the Department of Defense standards. KIP is committed to keeping digital information safe and secure. KIP's remarkable value, reliable performance, and amazing print quality is integrated in all KIP systems. KIP System K, empowering ideas. Remarkable, reliable, amazing. For more information, visit kip.com.